it's important to keep your Chrome browser up to date. To check to see if your Chrome browser is up to date, you would come and click on the three dots in the upper right-hand corner. Sometimes you'll actually be notified that you need to update your browser with the word update like you see here. If you left click on that, you'll see right at the top it says to update Google Chrome. However, if you don't see those words and you want to check to make sure that your Chrome browser is updated, you want to click on the three dots and then come down to Help and click on About Google Chrome. Once here, you might already see the words that say Relaunch. So I'm going to go ahead and click on Relaunch to update my Chrome browser. Once you click on the word Relaunch, your Chrome browser will actually do just that, relaunch. Don't worry, it comes back up. Sometimes it will spin and let you know that it is still updating, and once it's done, it will come up and say Google Chrome is up to date. Sometimes when you come here to check on your Google Chrome update, we saw the words relaunch because I was already notified to update, but otherwise you might just see the words that say Chrome OS. You might click on that, and then it will check to see if your Chrome browser is up to date. Also know that if you are using a Chromebook that is managed by a school, you may not be able to get to the most updated version of Chrome, as the school or whoever's managing that Chromebook determines what version is the highest that you can get to. So again, always make sure that you go and click on those three dots, Help, About Google Chrome, to check to make sure your browser is updated.